We've been making bird headdresses to go alongside our Maya Angelou puppet in Narberth Carnival. Here's how to make it. Take a strip of cardboard and staple it into a circle so that it fits on your head. Cut out the template which makes the beak and forehead of the bird. You can just use cereal packet card for this. Fold the piece of card down the middle and score it to make a sharp beak. Then take your loop of card and attach the bird's beak onto it using a staple. Now paint your beak. We're using clay paints because we want all of our headdresses to be fully biodegradable, and they come in a variety of rather lovely colours. Cut out your feather shapes and eye shapes also out of the same card and paint them also with clay paints. Start by attaching the main headdress feathers along the top. There should be 9 of these, with 1 in the centre. You can make them slightly different shapes so that they look more natural. And I've gone for a 2-tone effect to give the feathers a little bit more life to them. The middle feathers are all connected to make it a bit easier. Staple these on. And then the final feathers are just taped on using double-sided sticky tape and an extra bit of staple to hold them in place. Finally, again using double-sided tape, stick on your bird eyes. And there you have it, a lovely bird headdress ready for the carnival.